All right, my friends, this is exciting. This is very, very exciting. EState is currently having Christmas bonus offers. The promo is really, really attractive, and I'm going to share that with you in a few minutes. But in the meantime, if you are looking to register, the link to do so is below this video description. In this platform, for those of you that are brand new to my channel, or this is your first time of watching this video, what we do in this platform is we purchase a fractional real estate. And when you purchase that fractional real estate, you will get daily rewards. Okay, and those rewards comes in dollars. Okay, and then you will receive between Mondays to Fridays every single day, 5 days in a week. Your profit will come to you on your dashboard the way you are looking at my account just now, daily profit, and you will be able to withdraw this daily profit every single time. The withdrawal doesn't last more than 24 hours. You will receive it in your own private wallet. That being said, let me dive right into the Christmas bonuses and the promo that they are doing so that you guys will see what is going on and probably participate in this promo that they are doing for this Christmas. So let's dive to the official Telegram channel and read the information directly from the channel. So guys, this is the official EState Telegram channel, and as you can see from here, they have just posted this. I think when I logged in into my account a few days ago, I saw that notice as well about the Christmas property bonus that they are offering just now. Now, they said this is going to happen for the whole of December. Okay, so if you know that you want to grab this opportunity, this is the best time for you to do so. The holiday season is the perfect moment to strengthen your investment portfolio. EState is launching exclusive bonuses for investors who want to maximize their capital growth before the end of the year. December bonuses for tokenized real estate purchases. Number one bonus is if you purchase the lake house, okay, the lake house, when you purchase it, they will give you Christmas bonus of 500 ETK. Now, I have done a separate video for ETK. If you are in EState, or if you are looking to join EState and you don't know what ETK means, please go back to my channel and look for that video to watch. The ETK is the token that they have within EState to redeem a price between 50 cents to $1,000. So if you have 500 ETK as a Christmas bonus, you stand a chance to win between 50 cents and $1,000. The choice is yours. So that is the bonus offer number one, lake house. To purchase a lake house, you will need about $250 to purchase the lake house property. Okay, remember, you are purchasing a fraction of that lake house property. Number two bonus, if you purchase the Phoenix commercial property, they will give you a Christmas bonus of 25 EST. Now, bear in mind there is big difference between ETK and EST. Just so you know, don't get confused with it, right? Now, when you get 25 EST, that is equivalent to you purchasing the lake house. Remember, I told you that the lake house, to purchase the lake house, the fraction of the lake house is $250. So if you purchase the Phoenix commercial property, that will automatically credit your account with $250, which you can also now use to purchase the lake house. So this is a win-win game. Let's say you don't want to do the lake house, you want to go straight and purchase the Phoenix commercial property. Once you purchase that one, you are indirectly purchasing the lake house as well, because it will give you the Christmas bonus that will allow you to purchase your lake house, which is you are going to be building your portfolio very rapidly with this opportunity that they are presenting to us in this December 2025. The last promo that they are doing, the last bonus, is the LA land plot. When you purchase the LA land plot, you are going to get 312 EST. Do you know what that means? It means you will be able to purchase again the LA Villa, which is one of my portfolios that I have. It is one of the real estate portfolios that I have in my account, my back office. You guys have seen it. That alone is earning me between $17 and $19 every single day. I mean, the LA Villa. So this to me is the best opportunity for you to grab this, real estates and purchase your fraction from each of these ones. So they said bonuses apply to all purchases made through December 31st. After this date, the program will close, which is the deal will close, not the estate program. Just don't get confused with that, right? So for investors, we don't want to miss the moment. This is the most strategic time to strengthen your portfolio and enter 2026 with a greater share of real income generating assets. This is what they are offering. This is the Christmas bonanza. This is the Christmas promo. This is the bonus that you have to get when you purchase one or two of these, or even three of these properties. Now, remember the strategy here, right? I have just given you, good strategy. Don't go for the lake house. Go for the Phoenix commercial property. When you do that, you will get money, which is the bonus that will allow you to go for the lake house. So you are using one stone actually to kill two birds, right? Which is great. If you don't want to go for the lake house, you don't want to go for the Phoenix commercial property, you said, okay, let me go straight to the LA land plot. Boom! You are getting another 312 EST, which will allow you to purchase the LA Villa. The LA Villa is $3,120. So you know what is being offered to you in this December. It's entirely up to you if you want to grab this opportunity or not. Okay, if you don't have money to do the Phoenix commercial property, if you don't have money to do the LA land plot, just go with $250 and purchase a fraction of your lake house. Add that to your portfolio, guys. This is what is being offered to us. It is great. Very, very great opportunity. I have not seen this kind of opportunity before in estate. So this is what you need to know. This is the action you need to take. Don't just watch the video. Don't just read the text. Take action and see what you are going to benefit in the next few months to come. Now, remember, immediately you finish purchasing this property, your daily income will start automatically 24 hours later, depending on when you are purchasing the fraction of your property. If you are doing it between Monday and Thursday, you will get 24 hours window to start getting your profit. But if you are doing it like a late Friday, then your 24 hours will start from Monday. Okay, remember, there is no payout on Saturdays and Sundays. It's only Mondays to Friday. So when you are purchasing your property, because I've seen some of my team members that purchase their property over the weekend, like on Friday, late on Friday or early Saturday morning, and then on Sunday they came to me, they said, oh, listen, Bright, I've not seen any profit. And I said to them, oh, have you forgotten that I told you that estate don't disburse any profit Saturdays and Sundays? It's only Mondays to Friday. So please remember that when you are purchasing your property. Okay, now let me go back to my back office and show you exactly these properties that they are talking about, the properties that the promo is on for Lake House, Phoenix commercial property, and Los Angeles land plot. I want to show you all of that in my back office just now. So let's dive right in and see those properties. Okay, so we are here now to my account. So now if you go to dashboard, okay, and then click on real estate, the page will open. This page opens. On my right hand side there, you will see where it says profit calculator. Okay, so the properties that are in promo this month, the ones that I have just explained to you about, right? Those ones are this one, Lake House. If I click into the Lake House, you will see that the minimum to purchase the Lake House is $250. So if you are purchasing the Lake House, fraction of the Lake House, this is what you are going to get. This is the property you are going to be part of, receiving your daily earning from this property. This is great, guys. I have not seen this kind of opportunity before in my lifetime. So if you would like to join, the link to do so is below this video description. Go now and purchase this lake house and get your 500 ETK bonus, Christmas bonus that they are giving. Now, so this is for the lake house. Let's go to the Phoenix commercial property. Okay, so this one, you are going to be able to start this one with $10,270. And when you do start this one with $10,270, they said they are going to give you equivalent of $250 bonus. So when you purchase this, okay, this commercial property from Phoenix, you are going to be given $250 bonus. That $250 bonus will enable you to purchase another lake house if you have not purchased a lake house before. So now let's go to the LA land plot. I may not be able to access that because I need to be able to be on a certain level for me to access that. But let's try and see what is going to happen. So this is the land plot that they are talking about. This land plot is also in the LA area. So if I click into it, you will see where it says the full property gallery is available to buyers with level 3 access. As at this moment, I have only level 2 access. Okay, so when I have level 3 access, I will have access to this property. But this is what you are going to use to start the property anyway. As you can see from here, this is $51,310. If you purchase this property right now, they said they are going to give you $3,120, which will then allow you to purchase another property, okay, of this one that is called villa. Okay, so if you purchase the LA land plot, they will give you this bonus, okay, $3,120, which is the 301 EST they talked about, okay, in their announcement, okay, and you will purchase this property. Okay, so this, as I said, is one of the ones that I have in my portfolio. So for those of you that are in estate with me, please don't fail to purchase your villa property, because this is great. As you can see, it's immaculate. Look at this. Wow, look at this. So this to me is just the best offer so far, right? So these are the properties that they have just announced the promo about, and the bonuses that they are giving when you purchase those properties. I just thought I should come back here and show you those properties so you can actually see them and, of course, be motivated to get started with this. So that being said, thank you very much. The link to join this platform is below this video description. And as I said, the Christmas promo and all the bonuses that you are going to get will continue to be available between now and 31st of December 2025. Now remember, today that I'm recording this video is on the 9th of December. So you have about maybe 21 days more before this Christmas promo will end. So hurry up, guys. The link to join is below this video description. There is another video showing you how to deposit and how to actually purchase your fractional real estate within this platform. The money that you are going to be earning is entirely up to you, how much you are going to use to purchase your property. Okay, the choice is yours. The profit calculator is right there in the back office for you to use to calculate how much you intend to earn on a daily basis, and that will now give you how much you will be able to use to purchase your property. Thank you. The link to join is below this video description. If you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is very important. I want my channel to grow. Okay, my channel is brand new. So if you don't subscribe to my channel, I will not be able to grow in my channel. So thank you for those that have already subscribed, and for those that are not yet to subscribe, please do so with the subscription button below so that my channel will grow. And as you do that, God bless you. Thank you, and see you in my next estate video.